Hello students, welcome to Kokani Physics. Q factor, sharpness. हे जर तुमकां एक्सप्लेन करतलो मातशें म्हाका तुमकां एक डिटेल ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन दिवचें पडटलें मागीर आमी डेरिवेशन सुरू करूया. रायट? ओके. एक्झाम्पल योर FM रेडियो. मोस्ट कॉमन एक्झाम्पल ह्या टॉपिकान FM रेडियो. जेन्ना आमी FM रेडियो ट्यून करता न्ही, बेजिकली इमॅजीन आमचे कडेन मॅन्युअल ट्युनर आसा जो आमी हातीन फिरयता. आनी आमी कितें करता? We are trying to adjust our internal, the natural frequency of our circuit to match to the frequency जो आमी रिसीव करता न्ही एंटेनांतल्यान त्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीक मॅच करता. बेजिकली तेंच चलता. म्हणजे 98.3 इज 1 FM. 98.3 FMचेर जर तुका हाडपाक जाय रेडिओ जाल्यार तूं कितें करता? तूं मॅन्युअली तुजी फ्रिक्वेन्सी हालयता. So that 98.3 wherever it is there in the air, it gets resonated आणि boost जावन तुका मागीर स्पिकरांतल्यान भायर मेळटा. फ्रिक्वेन्सी सगळ्यो भायर असतात पूण वेन यू आर मॅचिंग युअर फ्रिक्वेन्सी इट रेझोनेट्स. तो इफेक्ट तयार जाता आनी द एम्प्लिट्यूड ऑफ द करंट बिकम्स हाय. आतां हांगा क्यू फॅक्टर कित्याक लागता? क्यू फॅक्टर इज दॅट फॅक्टर वीच इन्क्रिजीज द शार्पनेस ऑफ युअर रिसिव्ड इमेज. रेझोनेशन जालेंच, रेझोनन्स जालेंच, त्या भायर जें शार्पनेस आसा तें तुका जर बूस्ट करतलो जाल्यार दीस इज समथींग इज इम्पॉर्टंट. हांगा येता एक कॉन्सेप्ट इज बँडविड्थ. Basically Q is given as Q is upon resonant frequency upon bandwidth. हे आम्ही एक्सप्लेन हे करतात एक्सप्लेन त्याच्या पयलीं आनी एक कॉन्सेप्ट सांगता. ड्युरींग रेझोनन्स, ॲट रेझोनन्स कितें कितें घडणुको जातात त्यो परत एकदा एट वन ग्लान्स तुमकां कळटलें. मागीर तें लिस्ट एक करया. देन मागीर इट वील बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अस फॉर डेरिवेशन पर्पज. सो विल जस्ट कीप अ लिस्ट ऑफ इट. ॲट रेझोनन्स, ॲट रेझोनन्स जाता कितें? करंट बिकम्स व्हेरी हाय. आय आसा पळय तो बिकम्स आय मॅक्स. द मॅक्सिमम करंट बिकम्स व्हेरी हाय. पॉयंट नंबर 1. हांगा XL बिकम्स इक्वल टू XC आमी पळयलां. अँड ड्यू टू वीच impedance becomes equal to R. The only resistive factor now present due to resonance is only the resistance आणि कांयच ना. कारण दोन्ही वोल्टेजीस हांगा कितें जाता? दिस इज द रेजिस्टन्स, दिस इज इंडक्टर आणि हो कॅपॅसिटर. दिस इज द सर्किट, LCR सर्किट. वोल्टेज अक्रॉस इंडक्टर आणि वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कॅपॅसिटर कॅन्सल आउट. दे गो आउट ऑफ फेज बाय 180 degrees and they cancel out. And the only voltage remains is this. So basically voltage is nothing but voltage across the resistance. The voltage, the entire voltage is only for this. म्हणजे अशें की जर तुवें रेजिस्टन्स कमी केलो जाल्यार तुजो आनीकय वाडटा मॅक्सिमम करंट. रायट? सो बिकॉज इट इज एंटायरली डिपेंडिंग ऑन द रेजिस्टन्स. सो हांगा जर एक सर्किट हें पळयलें तुवें. सो आतां हांगा पळय एक जर सर्किट काडलें. दीस इज द basically the graph of maximum current. Or current is the maximum I max. At this time, what a resonant zala. At resonance, also current वाढता and say this is the resonating frequency. हो graph तुमकां last time सांगला. Suppose the current आणि reduce केलो जाल्यार हे आणि वयर वतलें. आणि समज करंट सॉरी नॉट करंट, रेजिस्टन्स जर हांवें वाडयलो समज सर्किटांतलो रेजिस्टन्स वाडयलो जाल्यार करंट विल बी लेस. सो करंट समज रेजिस्टर वाडयलो इट विल बी लायक दीस. असो येता. दीस इज एट हायर रेजिस्टन्स, दीस इज एट लोअर रेजिस्टन्स. रायट? वॉट अबाउट द इम्पिडन्स ग्राफ? जेन्ना तूं रेझोनन्स आसता तेन्ना इम्पिडन्स ग्राफ कसो येता? इम्पिडन्साचो ग्राफ असो येवपा जाय. इम्पिडन्स ग्राफ विल गो लायक दीस. एट दीस पॉयंट विच इज ओमेगा नॉट, your impedance is the lowest, which is nothing but it is R. At this graph it is R, equal to R. Graph पळयतकीर सगळें कळटलें पळय. At lowest frequency, I mean at resonant frequency, the lowest level that impedance goes to is only R. It cannot go below that. So जर तुवें हांगा हाडलो आनी R कमी हाडलो तुगेलें हें आनी शूट जाता वयर. आयलें लक्षांत? आयलें आसतलें. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट. ओके, आतां हांगा एक कॉन्सेप्ट येता बँडविड्थाचो. परत हांगा या. हांगाच्यान थंय व्हेल्लें. सो परत बॅक टू दीस बँडविड्थ. आतां बँडविड्थ तुका असायन करपा जाय. बँडविड्थाचें परत एक सांगता एक्झाम्पल घेवन. समज तुका आयकोपा जाय 98.3. आतां 98.3चेर तूं लॉक केली तुगेली फ्रिक्वेन्सी सेट करून एक लॉक केली जाल्यार 98.3 इज ओनली फ्रिक्वेन्सी, सिंगल फ्रिक्वेन्सी. तूं सिंगल फ्रिक्वेन्सी आयकतलो कितें? एकूच फ्रिक्वेन्सी तुका आयकपाक कितें येतलें? यू कॅनॉट अनलेस तुका तबलें आयकपा जाय, पेटी आयकपा जाय, सॉंग्स आयकपा जाय, ढोल आयकपा जाय, ड्रम सगळें आयकपा जाय, वोकल्स आयकपा जाय, एवरीथींग. ह्यो फ्रिक्वेन्सी ना. दीज आर ऑल्सो सम फ्रिक्वेन्सीज न्ही. ह्यो फ्रिक्वेन्सी तुका येतल्यो कश्यो? देन देर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ बँडविड्थ. ह्या बँडविड्थान जर तूं खुबश्यो फ्रिक्वेन्सी घुसयता ज्यो तुवें ऑलरेडी रेझोनेट केल्या, तितून आनी जर थोड्यो फ्रिक्वेन्सी घुसयता जाल्यार तूं सगळें आयकय. ओके, नाजाल्यार यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू हियर एनीथिंग. सो दिस इज एप्लिकेबल फॉर ऑल द फ्रिक्वेन्सीज. सी द बँडविड्थ फॉर FM इज अराउंड 200 किलोहर्ट्ज. म्हणजे 100 किलोहर्ट्ज हे वटेन, 100 किलोहर्ट्ज हे वटेन. ह्या विड्थान तूं बँडविड्थ एडजस्ट जाता. सो दीस मच ऑफ फ्रिक्वेन्सीज कॅन बी बुस्टेड अप. आयलें लक्षांत? तें बँडविड्थ इज गिवन बाय, देर इज अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट एज हाफ पावर पॉयंट. The point on this graph where the power dissipated by the circuit becomes half, त्या पॉइंटाचेर तुवें फ्रिक्वेन्सी ज्यो मार्क येता, दो दॅट फ्रिक्वेन्सी डिटर्मायन्स युअर बँडविड्थ. परत सांगता, एक फ्रिक्वेन्सी जर ह्या पॉइंटाचेर एंड ह्या पॉइंटाचेर पावर जर हाफ जालो, एट दिस पॉइंट P इज इक्वल टू P इज हाफ. ओके, दॅट टायम ज्यो फ्रिक्वेन्सीज असायन जातात, this frequency, this one and this one. Let's say this is omega 1, this is omega 2. This becomes your bandwidth. Now bandwidth is omega 1 minus omega 2. So this is omega naught upon omega 1 minus omega 2. Right? Okay. So this is called as a bandwidth. Right? आता हांगा power half जावप म्हणल्यार कितें? What is the value of this maximum current? Power जर तुवें half केलो, P is equal to Im square R. हे आमकां खबर आसा. When you reduce it to half, this also reduces to half. That means half power is, at half power, the maximum current is Im upon root 2 times the Imax. This current is 1 upon root 2 times this current. What is 1 upon root 2? That is 0.07. Almost 3/4 of this range. Pound range charges. Here, I is equal to Imax upon root 2. Right? Here power is half. Hanga P is anyway Im square R. This is power. Hanga P is Im upon root 2 square R. This is half power. ह्या power pointaचेर जी frequency assign जाल्या, that becomes our bandwidth. Okay? So this is the next part. So हे पुसता, I'll go for the next part. Okay, next पळय. At resonance I is nothing but Imax upon Imax. I is equal to Imax upon root 2. Okay. This is given by Vm upon Z. Okay. Z is the impedance. Okay. Imax is given by what? Imax is what? Imax is equal to Vm upon R. Because at resonance, कितें बोलता? Circuit only R is remaining. So at this, you can write it as like this. You can write here as, this becomes Vm upon root 2 R. Vm upon R घातला हांवें Imax च्या जाग्यार Vm upon root 2. And that is Vm by, आता Z पळय. Z is given by what? R square plus XL minus XC upon R square. Right? Okay. Jenna I is Imax upon root 2, that time omega is what? Either it is omega 1 or omega 2. Omega is either omega 1 or omega 2. I make omega 1 धरिया because it is given in the book as omega 1. So this becomes XL is omega 1 L, XC is 1 by omega 1 C. Right? XL कितें? XL is equal to omega L, XC is equal to 1 by omega C. X, or I can write omega at resonant frequency बरी ना F, or omega naught is equal to 1 by root of L. हे आमकां खबर आसा, लास्ट टायम केला. हेय लागतलें. ओके. सो these are all the conditions. ते हांगा घालया. एक्झॅक्टली तें लागना आमकां हो पॉयंट घेता, ओमेगा 1 हो घेतला हांवें. सो एट दिस पॉयंट हांवें रिप्लेस केलें. दिस बिकम्स Vm cancel 1 upon root 2 R. Okay, is equal to 1 upon root of R square plus omega 1L minus 1 by omega 1C the whole square. This is what you get, right? इतल्या पर्यंत आयल्या लक्षात आणि एक लाईन बरयता. So this becomes root 2r is equal to root of r square plus 1L minus omega 1 upon omega 1C. ओके फायन. आता कितें जातलें, दोन्ही स्क्वेअर करता दोन्ही सायडीन. दिस बिकम्स 2r इज इक्वल टू 2r स्क्वेअर. 2r स्क्वेअर. ओके 2r स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू कितें जातलें, r स्क्वेअर प्लस ओमेगा 1L मायनस 1 बाय ओमेगा 1C. सो r स्क्वेअर हे हांगा आयलो. दिस बिकम्स r स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू हे स्क्वेअर is equal to omega 1L minus हे सगळें. दिस इज ऑल द डेरिवेशनाचो कॉन्सेप्ट. अगो डेरिवेशनाचो सेम थिंग जे बुकार आसा तेच बरयलां हांवें. दोनदा प्रॅक्टीस करपाची. स्क्वेअर स्क्वेअर काडलो यू गेट r इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा 1L मायनस 1 बाय ओमेगा 1C. आतां ओमेगा 1 इज वॉट, आमी कितें करया, हांगा दोन आमी गॅप्स असाइन किया बाय change in frequency delta because this is a symmetric figure. So hoy be, let this be delta omega, this also is delta omega. It's a symmetric figure. So omega 1 increases by an amount of delta omega from omega naught, and omega 2 is a lesser amount, lesser quantity by delta omega. So आमी since omega 1 घेतला, omega 1 is omega naught plus delta omega, तो replace करूया. So this gives us r is equal to omega naught plus delta omega into L minus 1 by omega naught plus delta omega into C. Right. So this is what we got is r. Okay, हांगा कितें येतलें पळय. This becomes omega naught L plus delta omega L minus, or I'll not write this, omega naught common getlo. Let us see. Let's take omega 1 naught common. So we get omega naught L out. Omega naught common, omega L naught L ilo bahar. This becomes 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus 1 by omega naught C outside 1 plus delta omega by omega naught. Just slight adjustment. Okay, काय करू ना, ओमेगा नॉट आउट घेतलो जाल्यार this is what you get inside the bracket. Okay, so we know omega naught L is XL. At resonance omega is omega naught L. At resonance omega XC is 1 by omega naught C, right? So हांगा है at resonance अशें जातलें. So this becomes omega naught L into 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught minus हे वयर व्हरया आणि 1 by omega naught C. 1 by omega naught C is what? XC. That means XC. This is XL. Omega naught L is XL. Minus XL into, this is 1 by omega naught, 1 by omega naught C. XC. XC is equal, see here XC is equal to XL नहीं, आंख खबर है भाई. XC is equal to XL. So I can write it as XL also. 1 by omega naught C, 1 by omega naught C is XC. And XC is equal to XL, so I can write it as XL, right? And here I can write it as 1 plus delta omega upon omega naught equal to minus 1. Okay. So XL common zalo. Let us see, it is not common. Anga ek kinetari concept asa. It is a concept of binomial approximation. Binomial approximation. हांगा शिकयता. This is called as binomial approximation concept घालपाचो by we get 1 plus by binomial approximation you can say that 1 plus delta omega by omega naught is raised to minus 1 is equal to, almost equal to, you can approximate it equal to 1 minus delta omega by omega naught. आता आयलो खंयच्यान binomial approximation म्हणटा तें कितें हें इन शॉर्ट तुमकां सांगता. Let us wipe this part. What is binomial approximation? As per binomial approximation, अशें आसा की 1 plus x raised to alpha is equal to 1 is almost equal to, we can approximate it, it's 1 plus alpha x. If x is very small as compared to 1 and alpha x is very small, very small compared to 1. Here condition. आता कितें? This is one of the tools in maths. Binomial approximation is one of the, तुमकां ना 11th तुम्ही हे शिकू ना, binomial theorem शिकल्या तुम्ही, पण हे शिकू ना. It is basically a tool in maths which is used in physics to simplify things. आता जो पावर आशिल्लो पळय, तो पावर तुवें मल्टिप्लिकेशनान हे केलो, कन्वर्ट केलो. जो एक्सपोनेन्शियल फॉर्मान आशिल्लो तो मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह फॉर्मान कन्वर्ट केलो. This is one of the advantages of having this approximation method. म्हणजे हांगा नेगेटिव्ह पावर आसा न्ही, तो तुवें असो केलो की यू जस्ट मेड इट व्हेरी सिंपल, इट लुक सिंपल. आतां हांगा इजी दिसता पळय. दॅट इज वन ऑफ द टूल्स इन फ्रॉम मॅथ्स इम्पोर्टेड इन टू फिजिक्स टू सिम्प्लिफाय थिंग्स, रायट. बट अ कंडिशन कितें? हो व्हॅल्यू शूड बी लेस दॅन 1 or this value must be equal to this, very less than this number. So हांगा अशें जाता की this value delta omega by omega naught must be very small compared to 1, and it is small, we know it is small. See, the bandwidth is very less compared to the resonating frequency. You have to maintain that way. तशें करत जाल्यारूच you can apply it. Okay, fine. This is the basic concept of binomial approximation. आतां कितें जालें? We'll just move ahead of this. हें तुमकां कळ्ळें आसतलें what is binomial approximation. हांगाच्यान and just write it down or take a screenshot, I'll wipe it. Okay. So आमकां अशें मेळ्ळें, हांगाच्यान हो एप्लाय कर, you get r is equal to xl into, okay, xl, I can call it as omega naught L only, we will not change it. Omega naught L, xl is omega naught L, नहीं आउं तो replace करना because we need it next time. L into 1 plus delta omega by omega naught minus omega naught L 1 minus delta omega by omega naught. बाकीचे you just solve it, you get r is equal to omega naught L plus, or cancel जाता, you get delta omega L minus omega naught L plus, or cancel जाता, delta omega L, right. So आमकां कितले सिंपल जाले पळय using this method. Okay, so हे cancel जाता, omega naught L minus omega naught L, what you get is r is equal to 2 delta omega L. Okay, आमकां आपण हांगा येवपा जाय. This is nothing but omega naught upon 2 delta omega. The gap पळय आशिल्लो न्ही, एवटेन delta omega, तेवटेन delta omega, it is 2 delta omega. So that is what we want. So 2 delta omega कितें मेळ्ळें? Is r upon L, 2 delta omega. Replace in that formula, Q factor is equal to omega naught upon 2 delta omega, that's equal to omega naught upon r upon L, ulta जातलो, so that it becomes L upon r. So this is the Q factor. This is one of the values of Q factor in the form of inductance L upon r, omega naught L upon r. कळ्ळें तुमकां? See that 2 delta omega हांवें r upon L घातला, so r remains down, L goes on top because this is how it is. So omega naught L upon r, right? Okay. आता आमी हांगा रिप्लेस करया what is omega naught. Now let us see आणि in the form of capacitance पळया. हांगा पळय omega square is 1 upon LC. Omega square is equal to 1 upon LC. Right? हांगा L is what? L is equal to 1 upon omega square C. Omega naught square C. Omega naught न्ही. Just हांगा alter केला. So L is equal to 1 upon omega naught square C. हांगा जर रिप्लेस केलें omega naught into L is what? 1 upon r घालता पयली. 1 upon omega naught square C. हे cancel जालें. 1 upon, So Q is 1 upon omega naught RC. This is another value of omega. Right? एक ओमेगा नॉट कॅन्सल झालो 1 upon RC असा. सो ओमेगा एक ओमेगा नॉट उरलो 1 upon omega naught RC. This is C. So आमकां quality factor मेळ्ळो in the form of capacitance. So in what way you can increase the quality? Just lower the capacitance. In what way you can increase the capacity, increase the Q factor? Just in what way you can increase the Q factor? Just increase the inductance. Decrease the resistance, increase the inductance. Here decrease the resistance, आम्ही पहिलीच ठरयला. पण decrease the capacitance. Either one. So inductance जाता तितलो कमी असलो, sorry, inductance जाता तितलो चड असलो आणि capacitance कमी असलो जाल्यार you are getting, see, inductance चड असलो, capacitance कमी असलो, it doesn't mean that this is not correct. These are omegas. These are the combination of inductance and capacitance. Okay. So you alter one of these such that you maintain in such a way कि तुका Q factor remains high. Right? This is one way of doing it. आणि एक मेथड आसा, एक शॉर्टकट मेथड. पण हांगा जर तुवें केले, you just multiply this by I naught omega naught L upon I naught R. This becomes I naught XL upon I naught R is okay, I naught R. I naught XL is voltage across inductance, voltage across resistance, voltage across inductance, voltage across capacitance and voltage across resistance. म्हणजे Q factor can also be called as VL upon VR. VR. This is another definition of Q factor. Right? It is a ratio of voltage across inductance and the voltage of across resistance. Same way हांगा बरोवपा आता 1 upon पळय हांगा कितें जाता 1 upon omega naught C is 1 upon omega naught C is हांगा बरोवना हांवें 1 upon omega naught C is XC बरयलें आसतलें here XC. So XC हांगा जालो XC upon R. You multiply with I naught is I maximum, I maximum. I max upon I max. So this is again VC upon VR. That means this quality factor is also the ratio. So basically the definition is like this. Quality factor is the ratio of voltage against voltage across inductance or across capacitance by the voltage across, or it is called as voltage across resistance. It is also called as, this is called as impressed voltage. So it is a ratio of voltage across inductance or capacitance and the impressed voltage, VL or VR. So basically Q is equal to VL or VR upon VR or VC upon VR. This is another definition of quality factor. आणि डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन दिवपाक जाता, सद्या इतलेंच घेवया बिकॉज लिमिटेड टायमान हांवें व्हिडिओ तयार करता. सो मेक शुअर यू अंडरस्टँड दिस. कितें क्वेरी आसल्यार विचारात. I know I was not that descriptive. I will try to be maybe in the later videos because हांगा डेरिवेशनाचेच व्हिडिओ हांवें घातल्या. So I did not want to be so descriptive, although I would wanted it to be. Let's do फुडल्या व्हिडिओन करूया. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. This is Mahesh Toraskar and enjoy your life.